fish moving out here, and Dee's keen eye has spotted them. It's really, you know, if you've never done this before, the benefit of a guide is tenfold. But we're just studying this fish. It's coming up every 5 or 6 seconds and taking something off the surface. So we're just watching its habits, its behavior, see what its rhythm is before we don't want to go stumbling in there and just cast wildly.
One still out there on the windblown, at the edge of the windblown water.
There's one inside here too, I'm watching.
One right, see that one?
Yeah.
That one is doable.
When targeting trout in shallow water, stealth is critical to success. Keep a low profile and wait slow enough not to disturb water. In low clear conditions, you often only have one chance at the fish. If the trout senses your presence, it ceases feeding or spooks.
Here we go! Just saw that line tighten, and then Dee at the same time recognized it. We just swung the boatman down in, and when we felt the fly was in its area, a couple of quick strips to suggest the swimming motion of the boatman, and it just went tight. And we have appears to be a beautiful Bow River rainbow on here. This is a lot of fun. We're kind of using a blend of nymphing tactics here with sight fishing. There's lots of boatmen in the shallows. It looks like a bowl of raisins. And we've got a little bead-headed boatman pattern here, dark back, light belly. And now this fish is waking up, giving a really good account of itself. And again, I'm using the side pressure. Tire the fish, so if he goes one way, I go at him the other. Just constantly keep him off balance. And this is a gorgeous fish. So again, using the sight fishing tactics, we study the fish, we observe how it's behaving, how it's moving to the fly. In this case, we're kind of using a downstream and across with a few twitches. And just watch the fly line goes tight. You'll often feel just a grabbing sensation on the... So we'll just bring him in here, and this fish is in gorgeous condition, and a typical hook set in this method right in the top of the snout as it turns and takes. We'll just bring him in here, up beside me. When its head's up, he's usually beaten. I just want to cradle him. There we go. Oops. And there you can see that little boatman pattern right in the tip of the snout. I'll show you that in just a second, but this is why you come to Calgary. Come to Alberta. That's just a typical Bow River rainbow, and there's much bigger ones in here and browns as well, so there he goes.